Career misalignment. Signs it's not just burnout. Burnout is obvious. You feel drained, you feel overloaded. Misalignment is quieter. You still perform, you still deliver, you still succeed. But something inside feels absent. Burnout makes you tired. Misalignment makes you indifferent. That distinction changes everything. If you are burnt out, rest improves clarity, energy returns, perspective return. If you are misaligned, rest changes very little. You return to the same role and the resistance remains. Here are signs it might not be burnout. First, you achieve outcomes and feel nothing. Second, you reduce workload and the role still feels empty. Third, you imagine staying 5 more years and feel quiet tension. Burnout improves with relief. Misalignment persists with relief. Another indicator. You are no longer building, you are maintaining. Maintenance is stable, but if growth matters to you, maintenance feels restrictive. Over time, restriction becomes frustration. Frustration becomes urgency. And urgency distorts evaluation. High functioning professionals tolerate misalignment longer than they should because competence hides dissatisfaction. You can succeed publicly while disconnecting privately. That is what makes misalignment dangerous. So ask this quietly. If the workload dropped tomorrow, would meaning return? If not, you are not solving exhaustion. You are confronting fit. Burnout requires recovery. Misalignment requires recalibration. You don't confuse fatigue with direction. Clarity before change.